In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App decline for your protection. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So when you see the message Cash App decline for your protection, it means that Cash App security system has flagged your transaction as potentially risky and has prevented it from going through. So here's the steps you can do to resolve this issue. So first, you want to verify your identity. So make sure your Cash App account is fully verified. So this involves providing your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Also, sometimes Cash App may require additional documentation such as a photo ID. Next is you want to check your Cash App balance and linked account. So ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App balance or linked bank account to cover the transaction amount. Verify that your linked bank account or card information is accurate and up to date. Next is you want to review the transaction details, so double check the recipient's information to make sure it's correct. Ensure you're sending money to a trusted and known contact. Avoid unusual or large transactions that might trigger security alerts. Next is you want to update your Cash App application, so make sure that you're using the latest version of the Cash App. Updating the app can resolve bugs and improve security features. So check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. But if the issue persists, you can contact Cash App support. So just launch the Cash App on your mobile device, tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, scroll down and tap Cash Support. Just tap something else, select your issue, and tap Contact Support. You can also reach out to Cash App support on their official Twitter account at Cash Support or through other social media channels. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.